The government of Azerbaijan Scholarship 2025 offers fully funded to eligible international students covering tuition, flight, accommodation, and living stipends to study at leading universities in Azerbaijan. This educational grant program was established by presidential order in 2017 and 18. Benefits of Azerbaijan government scholarship: 1. Full tuition coverage. Receive full coverage of tuition fees. 2. Flight expenses coverage. Receive coverage of flight expenses to and from Azerbaijan. 3. Accommodation coverage. Receive coverage of accommodation and expenses. 4. Living stipends. Receive living stipends to support daily expenses. Academic benefits: study at leading universities. Study at leading universities in Azerbaijan. Access quality education and academic resources. Engage in research projects and develop your skills. Personal benefits: experience Azerbaijani culture and engage with local communities. Connect with fellow students, academics, and professionals. Develop valuable skills and confidence. Other benefits: receive annual renewal of scholarship. Access support services including academic advising and counseling. Eligibility criteria: here is the eligibility criteria for the government of Azerbaijan Scholarship 2025. Citizenship eligibility: be an international student excluding Azerbaijani citizen. Academic eligibility: demonstrate academic achievement with a strong academic record. Be admitted to a leading university in Azerbaijan. Language proficiency eligibility: demonstrate proficiency in language of instruction like Azerbaijani or English. Submit language test result, for example, TOEFL or IELTS. Other eligibility criteria: check the official website for age restrictions. Meet health requirements including medical certificate. Application procedure: the application procedure for the government of Azerbaijan Scholarship 2025. Step 1. Review eligibility criteria. 2. Check the official website for any additional eligibility criteria. Step 2. Select a program at a leading university in Azerbaijan. Ensure the program is eligible for the scholarship. Step 3. Prepare required documents. Complete the application form usually available on the university website. Transcripts: submit official transcripts from all previous institutions you have attended. Language proficiency test results: submit the language proficiency test results. Letter of recommendation: provide letters of recommendation from academic or professional mentors. Personal statement: submit a personal statement outlining your motivation for applying. Step 4. Submit your application online through the university website or the scholarship portal. Ensure you have submitted your application before the deadline. Step 5. The selection committee will review your application to ensure you meet the eligibility criteria. Shortlisted applicants will be contacted for an interview or further evaluation. Participate in an interview with the selection committee if required. Step 6. If your application is successful, you will receive an email notification with details of your scholarship award. If your application is unsuccessful, you will receive an email notification with feedback on your application. Application deadline: May 15, 2025. Apply now before the deadline. If you have any queries, please comment them below.